BJP Manipur Pradesh also organized the 12th International Day of Yoga outside the party's Thambal Shanglan office at Nithepa Chutek, blocking half the road for the event. Numerous yoga practitioners and BJP Karyakatas participated in the program. Speaking on the occasion, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Adhikari Mayum Sharda stated that India is witnessing a citizen-centric government as the nation marks 75 years of independence. She highlighted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced Yoga Day to promote physical fitness and its benefits are now recognized worldwide. Sharda urged everyone to work together to realize the Prime Minister's vision of Vikshit Bharat to make India a fully developed nation by 2047.
भारत के प्रधानमंत्री ने हाईवे मधुनी 1 घंटा खेल के मैदान में पुंग अमतंग ओइरबसु साना फुटबगी लमदा अइकोइसे नो मतंग ओइरबसु फील्ड अइकोइसे काइथो अकांदा अइकोगी हक्सांग नि फिट ओइना लैननबा होनसी हाइदना अदुंबा एंगल कयादा महाकना अइकोइसिबु हक्सांग फबा अफबा वाकल खनबा ngamba अदुगुंबा अइकोगी प्रजा अममम ओइननबगी पांडमदु थम्मी